Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for CPA Becker Full Guide. Start by creating a weekly plan with clear daily goals and block-focused study sessions. Mix Becker lectures, practice questions, and task-based simulations to reinforce concepts. Track progress with a simple checklist and adjust weekly based on performance. Schedule regular reviews and rest days to avoid burnout and keep motivation steady through the entire review cycle. Use active methods like note-taking, self-explanation, and spaced repetition to make Becker study time more effective. Pause videos and attempt problems before watching solutions to force retrieval practice. Record short audio summaries of difficult topics and play them during commutes. Rotate between lecture review, multiple choice, and simulations within each study block to maintain focus and deepen mastery. Small, varied sessions beat long passive hours for long-term recall. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make studying easier by keeping snacks fresh and desks clean, and they pack perfectly in a study bag between Becker sessions. They're great for portion control during long review days and save time on cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Practice under realistic conditions using timed sets of multiple choice and full task-based simulations in Becker. Treat each practice as a learning opportunity by dissecting every error and noting weak areas. Build endurance by gradually increasing timed study blocks until you can sustain exam-length focus. Use a mistake log to prioritize review and aim to close knowledge gaps with short, focused sessions each day before test date.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.